So dear student, as you can see, for the ninth standard we are beginning our new chapter, that is construction. So here we are beginning our topic that will be very easier for us, because for this year they have omitted some topic that I am telling you. Perimeter kind of question they are not asking, which is in last exercise. But before starting all that thing, we have to do some basic thing which we already did in small classes. But this is the very important. So here I am giving introduction. We will do some construction. It having very specific meaning to drawing the geometric items such as lines, circles, and using what compass and other tools. And it is very important. Without measurement, we can't draw particular things. So in this chapter we are clearing that concept only, that how can we create such kind of angles, and how can, without drawing triangle, how can we draw triangle. So here we will do some basic construction. In basic construction they are asking for 2 or 3 marks or 1 mark. They are asking bisector of particular angle, means we have to construct bisector of particular angles. हर एंगल का हमें बाइसेक्टर ढूंढना है. लाइक इफ दे आर आस्किंग फॉर 60 degree, first we have to make 60 degree and then we have to bisect it, then we can make 30 degree angle of it. So this is the concept, that is the basic construction. An angle bisector is a ray which divides an angle into two equal parts. So this kind of thing we will see in our exercise 2, and these are the construction of bisector which we'll see in detail. But today I am just giving the introduction of this thing. Later on we will discuss it in detail. So as here you can see the construction of the bisector of given angle. So here first we will draw the whole angle, as we are drawing 90 degree. Then we have to take particular measurement and bisect it. That is very important question. So this basic construction we will do. We will write steps to कैसे हमने किया, what we will do. That thing we have to write also. And this kind of question they are asking for the 3 marks. So all in all, in 9th standard, construction is not much that harder what we have done. So it is very easier for us to do construction this year. That is very easy question over here. Then two kind of question different. Construct a triangle given its base and the base angle and some other two sides. तो सम दिया होगा या सब्ट्रैक्शन दिया होगा. दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन, दैट इज द न्यू थिंग फॉर अस, दैट वी विल डू श्योरली in the class live, that what actually this process will goes on. And this topic is very new for us, when addition is given and when subtraction is given, and one topic is eliminated, that I will inform you later on. So please watch my videos. Thank you.